Hello guys, so that's what we are talking about, this tiny copter. Actually yesterday I was still playing with that, but it cannot lift up from the ground, and I bring back, actually dug out this manual and read a little bit more, and now I'm actually pretty sure the battery in this is already gone, because as I can see by my charger, it should be like green light according to this manual, but it's not starting, so it means it has to be just battery died. I get like one more of that, and if I put this one to the charger, the green light starts. So that's another reason why I think it's batteries. Anyway, if I even do connect it on the charging state, like this, hit it on, there we go. We got it in. Yes, we do. So only these rotors move tiny bit, and even though it's like charging, now this green light blinking, actually now it's shine, but probably it's because it's consuming all this energy. Anyway, not so much reaction, but by the way, I love the light on these things. And if I bring the second one, this one is a little bit damaged, but anyway, okay, I maybe get rid of this one from here somehow. Don't fall apart, little guy. I just shut it down. And try to connect this one. Yeah, it's even on. Connect it right away. And there we go. And it was not charged as well for a long time. So it means I got a good battery in this one. So I'm very satisfied. Probably I just find out the problem, and I just plan to put this battery to another one, because this one doesn't look in good condition anymore after one crash. Anyway, so I think I did find out what is wrong with my copter. Okay, in this one switch it's not working as well somehow. Oh yeah, I do remember I did something about that. Anyway, unconnect those guys, and just need to find out time to switch battery from this one to that one, but it's still in one piece, and I hope I would play with that. Anyway, one more thing what proved me it's just battery. It's like I just connect the other battery to the charger, and right away come out green light when it's off, it means it's charged. So that should be the reason why those, actually this guy didn't want to lift up. I hope that was the reason, but anyway, that's the two more of the bodies what I played. This one I love. I can even stir it a little bit, but cannot connect with the camera somehow. I did make it a few times, but it records nothing. Anyway, this one I cannot do both of them. I cannot connect it and I cannot stir it. So okay, that will be it. I hope I find out the solution for my problems. Anyway, so see you.